Most apps just don't get it. If you've been looking for a way to learn Slovenian, you probably realize that most of the big apps don't teach this language. And if you do manage to find an app that teaches Slovenian, most of the time it looks like a boring textbook. I'm gonna show you the best app to learn Slovenian. And I'll explain why it's the best app to get you speaking right from day one. The app I'm talking about is called Ling. You can check out the link in the description below to start your 7-day free trial with the app today. We've added timestamps for you here as well, so it's easier for you to quickly look through all of our key features. Let's start with the most critical part of learning a new language, which is, of course, the audio. Most apps use text-to-speech or TTS robots, which is cheaper for them, but bad for you because if you learn from a robot, you sound like one. But that's what sets Ling apart from the other apps. Ling works closely with native speakers when creating the courses and when recording the audio. This is really helpful for every language, but most especially tonal ones, because you're hearing real people speak with their real accents. It's the best way to get your ear tuned to the natural rhythm of the language right from day one without having to go out and speak to a native face-to-face. But hearing it is one thing and using it in context is a completely different thing. Ling doesn't just throw random vocabulary at you, they built their lessons around context. Understanding what, where, when, and why is the key part to learning a new language. They design each lesson to match the real-world situation you need with the right amount of gamification to progress through your learning journey. The sentences you learn first are the ones you get to use right away, like ordering food, asking for directions, and calling for help in case of an emergency. But being completely honest, even if the lessons are great, staying motivated must be the hardest part of learning a new language. That's why I personally love Ling's banana points and streak features. These features help you to learn your language daily and progress better. Every lesson you complete earns you banana points. These aren't just for you to see, they push you up the global leaderboard so you can compete with other learners. Ling also has a daily streak counter, but they give you just the right amount of push every day to get you to open the app at least once a day, even if it's just a 5-minute break from doom scrolling on social media. Now, with all these features, will they actually teach you how to speak? Well, that's what Ling's Chatbot aims to do. It's an interactive conversation partner, and it's meant to simulate real life. You listen to the native speaker, you give your answer, and then the app just gives you instant feedback. How cool is that? This helps you put yourself in the situation before you actually talk to somebody so that you're already confident when the time comes that you use the language. It's the perfect way to practice conversation without the anxiety of talking to a stranger before you're ready. Now that we've gone over all of Ling's key features, I want to let you know that this app is also built with cultural and linguistic respect. Your language matters, and with Ling, we can keep your language alive. Thank you so much for watching, and give Ling a try if you want to master the language and finally speak confidently. The premium version is paid, but if you want to give it a go before committing, you can click the link in the description for a free 7-day trial. We hope you have a great language learning journey.